It's back, and angrier than ever. What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here, and today we're taking a fresh look at the newest version of our favorite mini e-bike, the Extreme Bull K6. With its dual 3,500 watt motors, an upgraded suspension system, larger tires, and a refined rake angle for improved stability, the K6 has made some excellent improvements from the K4 and K5. In this review, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about this beast. We're talking power, speed, range, handling, safety, and so much more. The K6 promises an exhilarating ride experience, boasting a top speed of over 60 miles per hour and a practical range of 50 plus miles. This scooter isn't just about raw power though, it's about providing an exceptional ride, balancing safety, stability, and speed. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of electric scooters, buckle up for an exciting review. Subscribe and let's ride. All right, folks, it's time for the real thrill, the motors, speed, and performance of the Extreme Bull K6. Hold on to your helmets because this scooter might be one of the most powerful PEVs we've ever reviewed on this channel. Under the hood, the K6 houses not one, but two powerful 3,500 watt motors. The output of these beasts is just astonishing. If you're a speed junkie, this is the scooter that you've been dreaming about. And talk about acceleration. The K6 easily burns out, leaving others in the dust as it surges forward. You can feel the raw power and torque when you hit that throttle. Now, onto the speed. The K6 is a real speed demon, clocking in at over 60 miles per hour. That's right, you heard it correctly, 60 miles per hour. That's faster than urban speed limits in most places. All right, it's time to do our speed test on the Extreme Bull K6. This thing is supposed to do more than 60 miles an hour. That's more than most speed limits. Let's see if she's got it. All right, here we go. There's a lot of traffic. This thing's got full though. It's got so much power. I'm pretty sure this thing can hit the highway, no problem. Too many cars. This thing is amazing. Let's pull over here. How fast did we go? Top speed, 61.8 according to GPS. That is insane. Of course, remember that with great speed comes great responsibility. Always respect traffic laws and ensure you're wearing your safety gear. This machine has been engineered for performance, but it's up to us as riders to use it responsibly. In terms of performance, the K6 doesn't just shine with its speed, the acceleration is smooth, the power delivery is linear, and there's a responsive brake system to bring this beast to a stop. All of these make the K6 an exhilarating ride that doesn't compromise on safety. All right, now let's move on to the heart of the beast, the battery. One of the most impressive aspects of the Extreme Bull K6 is its monstrous 2,900 watt hour, 134 volt battery. This just isn't a big number, it directly translates into some serious mileage. With this battery, the K6 promises a practical range of over 50 miles. To put it into perspective, you could ride from San Francisco to San Jose on a single charge. Of course, range is always dependent on certain variables, such as the rider's weight, terrain, riding style, and even weather conditions. But in our tests, we consistently achieved over 45 miles of range at high speeds, which is quite commendable. Now what about charging time? The Extreme Bull K6 comes with a 3 amp charger that charges to full in about 6 to 8 hours. That means you can easily get back to full power overnight or during your workday. If you're planning on heavy daily use, we recommend buying a second charger or a fast charger, which we sell at alienrides.com. In terms of longevity, the K6's battery is built to last. With proper care and regular charging, it should serve you well for several years. Remember, like any other electric scooter, treating your battery well will significantly extend its lifespan. Stay tuned, because up next, we're going to take a deep dive into what really matters, the first-hand riding experience of this beast. All right, now that you have a better idea of the power you're wielding, it's time to chat about control and stability, where the Extreme Bull K6 truly shines. We're not only dealing with power and distance here, we're delving into the realm of enhanced ride dynamics, with its improved suspension, much larger tires, and refined rake angle. First on the list is the suspension. The K6 comes with an upgraded suspension system that significantly bolsters ride comfort and safety, an essential aspect when you're zipping around at top speeds. The suspension is a champion at absorbing shocks and minimizing vibrations. Whether you're on a smooth city street or tackling more rugged terrain, the K6 offers a controlled, stable ride. Next up are the tires. The Extreme Bull K6 is fitted with larger, wider tires that not only amplify its aesthetic appeal, but plays a substantial role in its performance. These beefy tires deliver fantastic traction, offering you a safe and secure riding experience. Whether you're maneuvering sharp corners or bringing the scooter to a halt, they perfectly complement the scooter's design and its improved suspension, contributing to a comprehensive, enjoyable riding experience. And don't underestimate the durability. Built to withstand the formidable power of the K6 and the demands of regular use, these tires are reliable and long-lasting, ensuring a reasonable lifespan before you'll need to contemplate a replacement, unless you do this a lot. And if it wasn't enough, another game changer is the improved rake angle. This modification might seem subtle, but it changes the riding geometry of the K6 for the better. A larger rake angle requires more effort to turn, but it tends to make the vehicle more stable at high speeds and helps maintain a straight course. A much appreciated upgrade for the K6's power, it's vastly improved over the K5. This redesign, when combined with the robust suspension and durable tires, makes the Extreme Bull K6 an outstandingly balanced riding machine. It's not just about raw power, it's also about safety, stability, and a highly enjoyable ride. Up next, we'll delve into the aesthetics and design of the Extreme Bull K6. Don't go anywhere, the beauty of this beast is sure to impress. So we've talked about power, speed, and handling, but what about the look and feel of the Extreme Bull K6? How does it stack up in terms of appearance and build quality? Let's dive in. The K6 is truly a sight to behold. It sports a unique form factor inspired by sitting scooters, but with a far more relaxed riding position. This isn't just a performance machine, it's a style statement. The scooter's design is structural and aggressive. The black frame, paired with hot accent colors, gives it an angry and stylish appearance that's sure to turn heads wherever you ride. The build quality of the K6 is solid, with thick square tubing used throughout, reinforcing its durability and robustness. When you look at the details, you can see that a lot of thought has gone into the design. The front headlight is the same as the Sur-Ron, and the rear LED light adds an aesthetic appeal. The digital display provides essential information at a glance, but it can be difficult to see in direct sunlight. The deck is spacious and comes with a large foam seat with comfortable padding. The extended length of the K6 means that the pedals no longer feel cramped for larger riders and provide secure footing during your rides. The handlebars are comfortable and ergonomic, and the controls are intuitively placed, all which contribute to an excellent riding experience. The half-twist throttle is no problem in the sit-down riding position and is less likely to be accidentally engaged than a full-grip throttle. The overall build quality of the K6 exudes a sense of strength and reliability, from the robust frame to the durable tires. Lastly, the suspension system and the larger tires not only aid in performance and handling, but also add to the overall visual appeal of the scooter, giving it a beefy and aggressive look, like a bull. In terms of appearance and build quality, the Extreme Bull K6 truly shines. It's not just built for performance, but also to impress. This is one scooter that is much about form as it is about function. Now that we've talked about the power, range, handling, and looks, let's dive into something of paramount importance: safety. When dealing with a beast like the Extreme Bull K6, that's both fast and low to the ground, safety is something that we need to be serious about. Firstly, with the K6, its power and speed demands respect. Always wear your safety gear. A quality helmet, gloves, knee, and elbow pads should be part of your essential riding gear. Don't think of these as optional, they're critical. You can find all of the safety gear and more at alienrides.com. Given that the K6 sits low to the ground, it's even more important to make sure you're visible to others on the road. This is crucial to avoid any unwanted accidents. Equip your scooter with high visibility accessories such as reflective stickers or LED lights. These will increase your visibility in low light conditions and ensure you're seen by other drivers, pedestrians, and riders. It's also advisable to wear brightly colored or reflective clothing when you're out riding, especially in the dark or in bad weather. A light or reflective vest can go a long way in making sure you stand out in traffic. Check out these reflective shirts at alienrides.com. Remember, one of the golden rules of road safety: always assume you're not seen. Be proactive, make eye contact with drivers at intersections, use hand signals, and always stick to the speed limits and traffic rules. The K6, despite its power and speed, should be used responsibly. Remember, this is a high-performance machine, not a toy. Ride within your limits and always prioritize safety over thrill. All right, folks, we've arrived at the price and value section of our review. This is where we discuss whether all these fantastic features we've been raving about on the Extreme Bull K6 come at a cost that matches the value it provides. Let's start with the cost. The Extreme Bull K6 will set you back a cool $45.99. Yes, that is a significant investment, but let's break down what you're getting for this price. You're paying for an incredibly powerful machine that boasts dual 3,500 watt motors offering top speeds of over 60 miles per hour. You're getting a robust 2,900 watt hour battery that ensures 50 plus miles of practical range, an upgraded suspension system, bigger tires, an improved rake angle for enhanced stability, and a ridiculously unique form factor. When we compare this to other high-end scooters on the market, the K6 holds its own. For instance, the Dualtron Storm, a competitive alternative, is priced similarly, but the K6 surpasses it in terms of top speed and motor power. Another popular option is the VSET Super 72, which comes in slightly cheaper. However, it lags behind the K6 in terms of top speed and overall range. What sets the K6 apart is its more relaxed and lower riding position, and larger tires, which add to the overall comfort and handling experience. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for a thrill or a daily commuter seeking a robust ride, the K6 delivers. When looking at the price to value ratio, the Extreme Bull K6 offers a great deal for those willing to invest. You're getting top of the line specs, an unmatched riding experience, and a quality build that few competitors can rival. Well, there you have it, folks. The Extreme Bull K6, a true powerhouse that promises and delivers on an exhilarating, high-performance ride experience. As always, if you found this review helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the world of personal electric vehicles. Stay safe, ride responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video. Always stick to the speed limits and traffic rules.